Hello guys, my name is Len and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed how dating advice online has become less about love and more about transactions? Everywhere you look, someone is saying, if he doesn't spend this much on you, he doesn't love you. Or if he won't send you money after a week of talking, block him. Some people even teach young women to test men by asking for money even before they really know each other. As someone who's been through different seasons of dating and learn from both good and painful experiences, I want to share another perspective. This isn't about telling women to settle. It isn't about saying you should ignore financial responsibility. And it definitely isn't about accepting disrespect and below minimum. It's about understanding the difference between choosing someone because they have the good character and choosing someone primarily because they can spend money on you. If you're young, especially in your late teens or early 20s, I hope you listen with an open heart. I wish someone had shared me these lessons when I was younger or earlier. And because real love isn't built on cash transfers. Real love is built on trust, respect, and consistency. And very important, emotional maturity and emotional intelligence. Willingness to grow together. When I was younger, I also believe many of the things social media repeated every day. Like, I watch videos, a lot of videos that said a high value man should constantly prove himself with expensive gifts. That if a man really loved you, money would always be the first language he spoke. It sounded convincing. After all, who doesn't want to feel to be cared for, right? Who doesn't want to feel special? But over time, I realized something important. Money can buy dinner or anything. Money can buy flowers. Money can even buy a luxury vacation. But money cannot buy honesty and loyalty. Money cannot buy peace. Money cannot buy emotional safety. Some of the wealthiest people still experience loneliness, unhappy relationships, because character and connection can simply be purchased. One of the biggest mistake I see young women make today is confusing generosity with love. Don't get me wrong. A generous man can be a loving person, but generosity alone doesn't guarantee love. Someone can spend thousands on you while lying on you. Someone can spoil you while cheating. Someone can pay your bills while controlling your life. Expensive gifts doesn't automatically equal a healthy relationship. That's why I encourage younger women to look beyond what a man spends, and pay attention to how he treats people, how he keeps his words. Very important that action speaks louder than words. And how he responds when life gets difficult. Consistency often reveals more than the luxury ever will. Another thing I've learned is that social media rewards extreme opinions. The videos that get millions of views are often the ones with the most dramatic advice. Like, never date a man who is broke, who can't buy this, who doesn't spend money on you. If he doesn't send you money, he doesn't care. Men are providers. Yes, that's very true. So, make him for you for everything immediately is unnecessary opinion, especially on talking stage or dating stage. Another, I haven't been in marriage, so I cannot empathize about that. But it's a different story, right? But these messages spread quickly because they're simple. But real relationships are rarely simple. Healthy couples have different financial arrangements depending on their values, culture, stage of life, and personal circumstances. Some men enjoy paying for dates, some couples split expenses, some support each other while one partner studies or changes. There wasn't one formula that fits for everyone. The important question isn't how much money is he spending on you. It is this relationship built on mutual care, respect, and shared values. Those qualities that last much longer than impressive first dates. If I could sit down with my younger self over coffee, I wouldn't tell her to chase the richest man in the room. I tell her to notice the quiet man who keeps his promises. The man who calls when he says he will. The man who treats wait stop with kindness. The man who speaks respectfully even during disagreements. The one who takes responsibilities and accountability for his mistakes instead of making excuses. These qualities don't always go viral online, but they are often the qualities that help relationships endure. Money matters in life. Yeah, that's very true. And financial stability can reduce stress and help couples achieve shared goals. It's reasonable to want a partner who is responsible with money and working towards a stable future. The difference is making money one important factor rather than the only factor. Character is what supports relationship when circumstances change. Sometimes job can be lost, businesses can fail, economies can shift, but integrity, compassion, commitment are rare qualities that continue to matter through those changes. That's why I encourage you to look for stability, maturity, and consistency, not just spending. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye bye.